is what we all envisioned, right? This is what we all signed up for when we, started this cryptocurrency, the gold-backed coin, back in January of this year. Most people got it at half a cent. Then it went through an ICO phase where, or sorry, just a launch phase where it was still kind of around that 0.006 cents, 0.007 cents. And now has anybody been, well, let's take a quick peek at CoinMarketCap, shall we? Let me go here. CoinMarketCap.com. Let's pull up CoinMarketCap, take a quick peek at what's going on. KBC. Okay, so here it is, 0.014, so 1.4 cents average between all the exchanges today. Tremendous, again, we saw a 50%, increase in this coin when the news from Miami was announced. And guys, that little increase, let's just put this into perspective. That was based on a Facebook post. That was, Karatbit International putting out a Facebook post that about Golden Independence Day, and then poof, we see the coin start to go up, and now it's, nicely sitting at that 1.4. There's going to be marketing that's going to come out about this now that the slide decks are prepared, the information's out to the field. The marketing is going to go out the field now. You and I, right? We're getting all kind of settled with this information now. We're getting it, formulated in our mind to, and getting out there with full power to share it with everybody. So between the marketing field and the field and the marketing campaign, we're going to do some great things, right? Are we not with the coin? You guys ready to do it? I want you guys to like focus on that, visualize that, understand that every single person you're talking to, every single, post, everything that you're doing to support getting the news out is basically helping to create wealth in thousands and tens of thousands of people's lives today. What one person literally is doing today is affecting tens of thousands of people. That is huge. And let's take it one step further than that. With this whole big next wave coming, it's going to bless a lot of people, and it's going to put everybody in a position now to be able to pay it forward, right? To be able to do our part in carrying this news forward, and more than that, helping the next wave of people. So I hope you guys are in tune with what I'm talking about, because we, that, like I said, everybody who came on board already and has bought KBC coins already, you guys are watching this video now. And if you are brand new to Karatbars, or maybe you're going to catch this video a week or two down the road, you're still way early. Anybody that literally has an opportunity to buy this coin at the rate that it's at now, 1, 2, 3 cents, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cents, we're going to drive this up now. It's such a blessing to know that come July 4th, that coin will be worth a minimum of 40 cents. Okay, 40 cents exchangeable in gold. So let's start to visualize, not just about now us. I want you to know with full confidence and to assume that you are already done. And I want you to start thinking and visualizing now, what more can you do for others? And as we put forward that big picture, understand that, in good intention and positive energy, understand that, we're going to make that happen. Do you follow me? And that to me is very, very important. To all the leaders it is. Otherwise, the leaders would have stopped working. I would have stopped working a while back, right? But once you gain a level of success, it's not about you anymore. It's about other people. And it's about what we can do to help other people, what we can do to help leave this world a better place, right? So I just wanted to share that sentiment. Type, in the text chat there how you feel about that, and let's continue to go through the Karat Gold coin here. What I want to point out is where is it? Right here. Look at this. Volume has pretty much doubled since the news has come out of Miami. We've done 423,000 in the last 24 hours in trades. Amazing. In here, do you see the circulating supply? So this circulating supply should be populated literally any day now. We're just waiting for this to come in. And when it does, we're going to see this market cap fill in. So, you know, circulating supply, let's say it's 8 billion, okay? 8 billion coins right here. 8 billion coins. You take this 8 billion, you multiply it by the price of the coin, and then you get the total market cap. So let's go ahead and do that. And for that, you know, I'm going to pull out my favorite little toy. And let's take 8 billion coins. Wow, those are a lot of zeros. And then multiply that by this right here, 0.014094. Okay, this right here is the market cap. 112,752,000 will be the market cap. So when we go back to the main page of coinmarketcap.com, it lists all the coins, right? Starting at number 1 based on market cap. So you see Bitcoin has got 112 billion in market cap. Over here, you see the total market cap, 209 billion total in cryptos as of right now. And Bitcoin has got over half of that, not nearly, but the Bitcoin dominance, here it is. See that BTC dominance, 53.7% of the money is in Bitcoin. So, and what's Bitcoin backed by? What's it backed by? It's backed by confidence, right? It's backed by confidence that, you know, but if the confidence goes away, what happens to Bitcoin? Bitcoin drops. Same thing with most of those cryptocurrencies. Ours is, of course, different. Ours will never go to zero. Ours, the volatility is taken away because it's got the backing in gold and the backing in assets with the bank as well. Let me continue my train of thought. 112 million, where would that put us? This is 112 billion. Oh, so where would 112 million put us today? 112 million would put us right in here. 59, we'd be in the number 58 spot, or we'd be in the number 59 spot. We'd just inching above one chain. Yeah, just an inch above the one chain. So that's where we would be, right in here, number 59. Who likes that? Okay, and then of course, as we continue to see that price go up, we'll move higher and higher up this chart. So I really love that we're going to be in the top 100, probably the top 50 of coin market cap. That's going to be big news. And as soon as that hits, guys, as soon as that happens, you know what we got to do? We got to get out there and spread the news fast. So let me quickly go here, because I don't want this to be a very long video. So let's talk about Gold Independence Day. July 4th of 2019, 250 days from today, we will celebrate a very important milestone. Gold being the basis of Karatbars International. The visionary mission of Karatbars International is to return gold to people. Today, Karatbars International announces that July the 4th, 2019 will become the Gold Independence Day. Starting from the Gold Independence Day, every person will be able to exchange pure gold KBC coin at the rate of 100 coins to 1 gram of gold. So I said earlier 40 cents. How do I get that number? Because 1 gram of gold, 1 gram of cash gold is 40 euros, right? So it would be 100 KBC coins equals 40 euros. 10 KBC coins equals 4 euros. 1 KBC coin equals 40 euros. Make sense? So around 40 euro cents, everybody, in gold. Karatbars International will start delivering gold on that day. A big highlight from Miami was the news Mr. Sight shared, which I covered in one of my last feeds, where he told everybody about the latest and greatest deal that Mr. Joseph Haidt was making while everybody was in Miami. Mr. Haidt closed on another gold mine in Africa, in the country of Gambia. And this gold mine had available right away 500 kilos of gold, which will immediately go into storage. and that news will, will be shown very quickly. And then there is still over 2 billion in gold in this gold mine, and production will start on that right away as well. So with all of that now, with 2 mines, with the assets of the bank, everything that's in storage, all the gold that's already in storage, all of those assets together, we're able to, confirm or get letters of credit from major financial institutions, HSBC, the First Alliance Group, and therefore being able to guarantee this convertibility of coins into gold. Okay, so this is big news. It's the biggest and best, because again, I think about all those people that acquired this coin. I mean, if you think about it, for less than a cent, that's crazy news. Crazy good news. So here's what it could look like if you, let's say you exchanged 1,000 of your KBC coins July the 4th, it would be converted into 10 grams of gold. Today's price would be what? 400 euros, right? If you exchange 100,000 of your KBC coins converted into 1,000 grams of gold on July 4th, based on 40 euros per, it would be what? 40,000 euros. And then 1 million KBCs will be converted into 10,000 grams of gold. Today's price of gold, again, July 4th, we might have a whole, whatever the price of gold is that day, okay, will be here. But based on today's price, 10,000 grams of gold would be over 400,000 euros. Okay, so that's what it would look like for those of you converting some. Again, I can't tell you what to do. I don't hold any financial degrees or certifications of any sort. I'm not a lawyer, an accountant, planner, and I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. That's private. That's something that you should decide. Do your due diligence, talk to your accountants. But I get asked all the time, Nitsa, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? And I'll just, say it publicly, only, for me, not to disclose my private banking with you, but just, my mindset, when I look at this, it's a 5-year plan. And, I look at now the ability to, that we're going to have to convert these coins over. And I'm looking at over the next 5 years, how I will scale it, myself, whether it's 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, I don't know. But it's, I'm certainly not entertaining cashing out all my coins come July the 4th. That would be absolutely crazy, because that's just the first of 5 steps, through this whole ecosystem. So great stuff coming, guys. But anyway, that's just a little bit of that. Let's take a look at what this document says, a quick little sneak peek. The Karatcoin Bank in Hong Kong, gold traders currently are trading gold through the gold mine, and annual sales revenues projected for 600 million. So right now we're taking a look at the potential. Okay, what's the potential of our bank? What's the potential of all of these income centers, the things that are already in development? This is not things that we need to raise money for to go and do. This is already paid for without touching the 100 million in share capital that's at the bank. Already paid for, already in development, now in the deployment stage. And this is a 1 year out, okay? So this is really, really good. 600 million in trades, sales revenue coming from trades. So there's gonna be a profit in there. The profit won't be 600 million, but that's what they project in terms of sales. Very strong, just from gold trading, initially. The overall revenue into the bank, 5 billion by after the ICO completion phase, which is September, the KCB coin. September will be the finalized time, right, of the ICO. 5 billion in sales. And that, okay, is what will affect what? It'll affect the KCB price, which ultimately also affects the value of the KCB, which ultimately affects also the value of the KBC. Right now, the value of the KCB is 14 cents. And, it's based somewhat on the 1 billion in assets that the bank has, the 100 million share capital, the 900 million in the gold mine. And that's where the billion comes from. So now if we think, let's, multiply that by 5, is it accurate to say, well, you know, what's 5 by 14? It's 70 cents. Does it mean that the KCB coin will launch at 70 cents? We don't know that for sure. Okay. That will have to be determined, but we have an idea of how, you know, some of that mathematics can work. And, what could be the potential here of that coin just after the ICO phase. That's pretty cool. Another big part of that 5 billion, of course, is right here, the Karatbit's digital stock exchange, an innovative trading platform aimed to work for the huge financial industry with a turnover of 3 billion in its first year. Dirk Zalman had a couple of the world tour events talked about, you know, the digital stock exchange, already 20,000 companies that have already are on the registration list. And, you know, the great thing, the advantage for public companies to come public on our digital stock exchange versus going to, you know, the New York Stock Exchange, London, Frankfurt, is cost. It's about 1/10 of the price. It's $1 million or so to go public on a major stock exchange. It's $50,000 to $100,000 to do it on the digital, on the blockchain. That's one major aspect. The second is transparency, because it is the blockchain. And then, of course, third would be borderless. You know, you can go anywhere and people anywhere around the world can buy into your stocks through the digital. So there's 20,000. That would explain why 20,000 companies are, you know, looking at getting on board at 50 to 100 million a piece. Guys, do the math. That's already 2 billion. So, you know, that's where a large portion of this comes in. But every single time, you know, trades are made, that's, you know, more money into the exchange, i.e., you know, again, more money into the bank, therefore influencing the value of the bank's coin and putting 50% in profit to back up the gold coin. So 3 billion from the Karatbit stock exchange, digital stock exchange, and then the Karatbit exchange, which launches when? In just a few days. Exciting stuff. Who's ready to double their money? You double your money on the Karatbit exchange. That's the big promo right now, but you got to be ready for November 1st, guys. You snooze, you lose. So get ready for that, okay? 150 billion in trades, okay, volume expected this year coming through there. So that's huge, you know. How much the profit will be from there, we don't know, but, you know, even at 1%, that's already 1.5 billion in profit coming from the exchange. So when we look at our coins, the Karat Gold coin, great ICO, at 100 million. It certainly became one of the largest in history. And now we've got our bank's coin where we project 1 billion in revenue. So all of these revenue sources between the KCB offer, the digital stock exchange, the Karatbit exchange, the gold trading, all of it together, you know, between now and the end of this ICO phase is where the 5 billion, you know, comes into the bank. And that will then begin the launch of the KCB coin. This is really exciting. The profit pool, we heard about this throughout the world tour, a brand new pool that's going to be designed beginning 2019, offered to the field, where it, you know, gets revenues or profits from every single part of the ecosystem is coming into here. And that's really, really nice. So, you know, what do you need to do to get into this, guys? Build the team, build the team. This is a leaders pool, and those leaders, any single one of you that are watching this video right now, you could be a prospect watching this video and loving everything you see and thinking, can I get myself in that pool in the next 90 days? The answer is absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. I'm going to give you a little tip, okay? And I learned this from one of my mentors, Mr. Eric Worre, who really taught me how to build momentum, how to explode a team. If you could build a team of about 20 to 30 people in a 30-day period, believe me, you can explode your business. 20 to 30 people. Let's say you're going into a new market and you want to start a new team, okay? One of the formulas, or, you know, you can gauge and say, can I grow this team? You can start with one person and take that one person to 25, 30 people in a month. And all those people together, you know, driving numbers can really explode the team. Because if you think about it like this, one person let's say they enroll 5 people, but 3 of them actually do something. Okay. And then those 3 do the same. They enroll 5, but 3 actually do something. And then those, 5 do the same and they enroll 5, but 3 actually do something. You have 27 people that are working and excited about the business. Okay. You can explode your team with a group of 20 to 30 people excited about building a business. Okay. With you, you might already have a team of 20, 30, 50, 100, 1,000 people. Great. If you could get 25 to 30 people on a starting line with you and say, here's our line in the sand. Today we go forward. You are my A team. You are the team that I'm going to work with. Together, we're going to march into Golden Independence era and the Golden Independence Day. And we're together going to positively influence thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people as we do this together. Okay, you can do that beginning today, right now. Try it. Okay, I promise you it works. So surround yourself with your A team. And if you do that this month, okay, this month is October, is already over, but look, use the month as November to be your start and start over. Every single person, build a brand new group of 25, 30 people in the month of November and watch what's going to happen to your business in 2019. You'll hit these profit pools. Let me tell you, if I was a betting woman, I'd bet on you any day. All right, let's move ahead. Hard Fork Day. September the 20th of 2019, Hard Fork Day. We have basically our blockchain will be going live in October. I think this date is wrong. Forgive me. Yeah, this date is off. It's October 1st. I'll show you that in a second. I pulled this off of the old one. Okay. It's October 1st will be the Hard Fork Day because September 20th, our blockchain goes live. And once our blockchain is live, we're then going to pull both of our coins off of the Ethereum platform onto our blockchain. And that will then create one coin, which is covered by gold at a minimum of 40 cents, okay, per coin. So if you're wondering, well, what's the price? How is that going to work? Should I buy KCB? Should I buy KBC? What do I do? Understand it all evens out. The value at the end of the day will even out. So it does not matter. Right now, we have an opportunity to get KCB and KBC for free. So you get those. That's a 2-for-1. That's basically a 2-for-1 offer, a double whammy, okay? But when even that goes away and we're offering KCB, that's great. That's how we're going to get people into the ability to exchange, okay, once it comes onto our main net, to exchange that into gold. So if you're trying to figure out numbers and everything, we don't know the price, okay, until July 4th comes. But the most important thing to understand is the value, okay, of the money is what matters, and that will all shake itself out so that it's fair and square. Now, here are the milestones beginning July 4th, 2019. Again, Gold Independence Day, transfer, the ability to convert 100 KBC coins into 1 gram of gold. September the 4th is the official finish of the Karatbit Bank ICO, where all of the KCB coins start to get circulated. September the 20th. Oh, I wasn't off by my dates, actually. Well, yeah, I get it. September the 20th, mainnet is released. So that is when we launch our blockchain. Karatbit International starts operation on its own blockchain. And then October 1st is the hard fork for KBC and KCB, the creation of a single coin covered by gold. All right. January the 1st, 2020. Is the second time this chain. Now we go into the gold new year, 75 KBC for 1 gram of gold. And then we start, July the 4th of 2020, July the 4th of 2021, July the 4th of 2022, July the 4th of 2023. Okay, over the course of this time, the goal, as per Mr. Seitz, is to get to 1 KBC coin equaling 1 gram of gold. All right. So this is the spirit of the golden independence, ladies and gentlemen. That's the financial future that we all are creating right now for everybody around the world. So let's continue to move forward in a strong, and give it everything we have, a strong manner in giving it everything we have. Okay, just a couple of more things. The Karatbit exchange grand opening November the 1st. What does this mean? To get a $500 bonus? Basically, anybody who deposits $500 onto the Karatbit exchange in assets, crypto assets, or gold assets, okay? So either cash, gold, or crypto, $500 worth on the exchange by November 1st. So you want to do it right away. You want to be ready to pull that trigger right away, is going to get the gift of $500 worth of KCB coins for absolutely free. So the way I see it is double your money, okay? Double your money on the Karatbit exchange. Here's what I recommend. Buy cash gold, $500 worth, around 14 grams of cat. It's 13 actually, but if you're a little bit superstitious like me, just a tiny bit, you stay away from the number. Oh, you love on the number 13. We love you, 13. We love you. We love you. You're a positive number. But I love 14 because I was born on the 14th. So that's why I go with 14. Buy 14 grams of gold, cash gold, load it up on your Karatpay, and then pull the trigger when it's time to get it from your Karatpay onto the Karatbit exchange. You might have questions. How do we do this? How's it going to look like? We'll know. And literally this week, we're going to have this information rolling out so we know what to do and how to get onto that exchange, but it will be very, very simple. Now, this is the important thing to note, guys. We have 5 days left, October 31st. Being Halloween night. So, don't jeopardize Halloween night if you've got, especially if you've got plans. Get out there and get this done before. Okay. So take advantage of the 120% bonus. Okay. That's the big one right there. That's how you double, more than double the number of coins that your money can buy. You want KCB coins and you want more of them right now, right? So how do you double the amount you buy by getting in front of this? This finishes on Wednesday and it's for every KCB offer. So that includes our main offer, where you can buy it for as little as 150 euro, right? And get the 30% bonus and then up to the 40, 50, 60% bonus. Add on top of that 120%. So it counts for this one. And then of course it counts for the multi-pack, which in my opinion, anybody looking to put in over 3,000 euros to exchange over 3,000 euros of their cash or their fiat into coins needs to be doing it through the combo pack because it only makes sense. First of all, you get a higher bonus, and secondly, you get free KBC. So it's a no-brainer. This has been extended till November 30th. Okay, the actual combo pack, but not the 120%. So you want to move on that one. So the regular bonus of 60 to 100% is what applies on multi-packs. That's why continuing through the month of November, we continue to go hard with the multi-packs. They make the most sense, do they not? And that is the 3, the 5, the 8, and then the 15, with the 8 and the 15 gifting a VIP package, and then the 60 to the 100% bonus in these multi-pack ranges. All right. So I'm not going to go through each and every one because you know those ones. Your KBC wallet. Hopefully you guys have downloaded the new KBC wallet and you're working off of that wallet right now. You can do that. You can also put that into your profile in your Karatbar's website. So update your profile with this one and understand that all the coins that are coming through the combo packs right now and the regular offer right now, don't be alarmed if they don't go right away in your wallet. Okay. The KBC, the Karat Gold coin, all of those will be pushed after the promotion. So we're looking towards the end of the year. The KCBs, it's kind of like, I don't know what the rhyme or reason. Some of them are getting there. Some of them are not getting there, but I've been assured over and over again that it is a manual thing. And they, by the time the promotion is all over, everybody will have the coins. You can see when you acquire KCB coins, whether it's through the regular offer or the multi-pack, you can see it in your Karat Gold dashboard. When you go to my coins, you can see the transaction. So it's there. It's just that for whatever reason, some of them are hitting the wallets and some of them are not. Don't panic. Don't send in a bunch of tickets. It's already been addressed. And what we've been told is after the promotion is over, all of the coins are going to get pushed into the wallets. Okay. So that's what we have for that. Let's see what's here. Ooh, yes. Look at this, guys. Full power marketing campaign will start soon. This is what I'm super excited about, because when I took a look at that coin go up to, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and we were watching it literally on Sunday, okay, when Mr. Seitz was doing his speech, and then they put it on Facebook, bam, you saw a 55% increase within a matter of 2 hours. And that was from one Facebook post, okay? All the marketers were in Miami. Okay, we were in the restaurant, okay, and yet the coin was going up from one Facebook post. So now you've got field plus marketing coming from CoinSuper, from HitBTC, and of course our exchange will do marketing. This is going to be great times. We're going to see some great activity happen for our Karat Gold coin this coming right away. Okay, so market price versus spot price factor of 10. Our Karat Gold coin is tied to two, prices. That's what makes it, that's one of the unique features about it. So you've got the market price, which is what the market is buying it for, right? Buy and sell on the market, similar to Bitcoin, right? And then you've got the spot price of gold, right? That's the real value. That's the intrinsic value, and that's in gold. So, typically when you have an asset-backed coin, you could see a difference of about 5 to 10 times. Meaning, if we do our part and we go full force right now and get this out, as strong as possible, we believe, okay, that we could see a factor of 10. So if it's 40 cents in gold by January 4th, Golden Independence Day, what could it be on the market? Yeah, multiply it by 10, right? How many of you would love to see a $4 coin on the market? Is it possible? It is possible. That's just a factor of 10, everybody. So very, very exciting stuff. So when we look at the end of 2018, here's how it pretty much lines up for us, guys. October 31st is the end of the 120% bonus offer for the KCB. November 1st, we opened the Karatbit exchange. So double your money, right? Cash gold, load up Karat Pay, and then deposit on the exchange, bam, to get that 500 gift. Now you've got $1,000 on the Karatbit exchange. That's your money, $1,000. You could do what you want with it, okay? You can exchange it into gold. You can buy KBCs with it or another crypto, whatever you want. It's there, or you could leave it, okay? November 1st, around this time, we'll also begin the marketing campaign. And then we've got the end of November, the multi-pack combo will end. So let's take advantage of this now. Getting KBC for free is the best deal ever. Starting December 1, people will go to the exchange and will buy it there, okay? I mean, you can buy it there anytime, and we're going to be driving a lot of activity to our exchange, right? So after we finish selling combo packs, I mean, I do not see the momentum stopping for KBC, meaning from the affiliate side. When a brand new person comes in, we still do the same thing, right? If you think of step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your dashboard, step number 1, get your package. Step number 2, upload your KYCs. Step number 3, get your MasterCard so you can start receiving commissions right away. Step number 4 is what? Save in gold. Well, how about save your assets, as Dirk says, okay? Save in gold and crypto. So, what I see us doing is we're going to make sure that everybody's got their KCB, and then we're going to walk them over to the Karatbit exchange and make sure, well, that they bought some cash gold, and then we're going to walk them over to the Karatbit exchange and show them how to exchange that cash gold into KBC. Does that make sense, everybody? So that's kind of forecasting down the line, December and onwards. But right now, focus on combo pack. And then in December, we're going to start to see a lot of stuff roll out from corporate into the field, planning our 2019 event system, which will include Golden Lions, World Tour, and Freedom Celebration, everybody. We saw the momentum coming out of this World Tour, everybody. If the World Tour has affected your business, put something into the text chat right now so people can see it, read it, and then even those who read this later on could come back and revisit that. No question that this World Tour has raised the bar. It's taken the momentum of Karatbars to a whole new level. We are gearing up now. The next one is going to be 10 times better than the last World Tour. We're going to have 10 times the people. We're going to get in front of 10 times the people and more in the next World Tour. If you loved the growth in your team, the growth in your paycheck, the growth in your gold sales, okay, the overall growth in your business, the growth in you, okay, during that last World Tour, I want you to envision that by 10 minimum, 10x it, okay? That's 6 months from now, 5 to 6 months from now when we hit the road again, do it all over again. But between now and then, guys, it's very, very simple. Our focus really right now, we're marching down to Golden Independence Day. And it's kind of like, and I love this analogy, Mr. Seitz did it in Miami. He said, look, a car driving at night, right, has its headlights on and it could see about 100 feet. And that's all it can see. But the car, gets to its destination. How? Because it can see the first 100 feet. At the end of the day, you get to the destination at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning for sunrise. But you do it by seeing your first 100 feet. Here's your first 100 feet right now. Next 5 days, call it 120 feet. Can we? Just amuse me. Why? Because, okay, I'll tell you this. I'll give away a cash gold if somebody could read my mind right now. Why 120 feet? Can anybody read my mind right now? I know it's a very hard thing to do, but 120 feet, I'll give you a hint. There's 24 hours in a day. Oh, the hint. I'm giving you a big hint. And there's 5 days. Okay, come on, somebody, anybody. Okay, we got a winner. 120 feet, 120 hours from now will end the month of October, and the 120% bonus will go away. So 120 hours to capitalize on 120% bonus. That's being able to see 120 feet ahead to our destination. So number one, get your combo pack this week. Add 14 grams of gold, okay, to your Karat Pay. Help your team do the same. Reach down into your team. It's full on, all out massive action plan this week, guys. And then follow up on your pipeline. Who are your hottest contacts in your pipeline? We've all got people we've been speaking to right now. We need to get back to those ASAP this week. Let them know what's going on. Help them get started. Help get them into their combo packs and 14 grams of gold so they can double their money on the Karatbit exchange next week. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed these updates. Everybody, thanks so much for tuning in and with me. I wish you guys a better than great rest of today, Friday, and make it a wonderful weekend. I'll be back to you guys really, really soon, and we'll see you guys out there, okay? Bye-bye for now. Love you. Mwah.